Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Samson Prissy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix files not showing on your zarchiver or file manager. So if you just installed the zarchiver on your device and it's not showing your files on it, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to allow your files show on your zarchiver. So without switching most of your time, let's quickly dive into the video. If this is your first time of visiting the channel, please do it to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. So all you need to do is to go to your setting. On your setting here, you scroll down just a little till you get to app management. Then you click on that. On your app management, all you need to do is to click on app list. So you wait for it to load. Here all you are going to be seeing is your apps. So all you need to do is to scroll down till you get to zarchiver. Then select zarchiver and click on permissions. You can see that on the top of your screen. Click on permissions. Click on files and media. File and media. So you're going to be allowing your files and media, allow management of all files. So this is what you're going to be selecting: allow management of all files. Click on allow. Then go back again and click on storage and cache. On your storage and cache here, on the bottom you can see clean storage and clear cache. Once you are done doing that, all you need to do is to go to your Play Store and search for zarchiver. On your Play Store, all you need to do is to search for zarchiver to know if it's up to date. So if your zarchiver is up to date, then you go to the next step. As you can see, my zarchiver is up to date. So now you can now go back to your zarchiver and check if this your problem has been solved. Here you can see my files are now in my zarchiver. So that is it on how to fix this problem. We have come to the very end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell in order to know when I make videos like this. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.